Hey guys, I'm Szenan-Balance. Today I'm going to share with you JiYi Acupuncture treating trigger fingers, the cases. Let's have a look at some video. Okay, I'm going to show you two videos and before and after treatment. Let's have a look. So as you can see here, this is has been suffered from trigger finger for 1 year and 3 months. Then that's before treatment. That's after treatment. Pretty free up, right? Right. Let me show you another case. That's before, that's after. And you can see that current cat couldn't open it at all on the ring finger. And that's after. Let's watch it again. Fantastic results. Fantastic results. Now, JiYi Acupuncture can treat trigger finger. I know any others treatments are good too, but I want to show you apart from scoliosis, JiYi Acupuncture is good for trigger fingers. So, find out more details if you want to join free self-learn study JiYi Acupuncture. The link is down there. More importantly, the Malaysia workshop is going to happen in November 2022. And you're gonna receive free hotel accommodation and free meal while you're attending JiYi Acupuncture workshop, right? And only for this year. Next year, the price will increase and we can't guarantee we'll be able to give you the sponsor of free accommodation. Check the link right now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.